So guys, what's up? What's going on? I received a comment from a brother who said, "Brother, can you help me? No audio device is installed. Problem in device manager. Other device Intel high definition audio. Warning symbol, which is just like this one. Sound, video and game controller Intel or display audio, only this much options, and everyone please support this hardworking YouTuber." Okay, thank you. Well, thank you so much for reaching out to me. Okay, let's discuss the issue. The major issue could be that your sound card may be damaged or destroyed. If that's the case, you cannot repair it yourself. It's better to buy an external sound card. Most of the latest GPUs have their own card and drivers, so you can try which one suits you or buy a separate sound card. Alright, if everything is okay regarding hardware, fixing it is relatively easy. I made a video where I explained how to find drivers. I put the link in the description, so it's easy to navigate that video. For specific hardware, if you don't know the model, right now I know my PC and my motherboard and the motherboard model, so it's easy for me to download the driver for my hardware. So it will be easier if you watch that video, then find and download drivers based on your PC model and finally install them. This should fix your problem. In my case, my PC is from Asus Tech Computer, so I go to the Asus website to find the drivers related to my motherboard, and this usually fix the issue. Now, as I said, link is given below in the description. Brother, just go watch that video, so it will easy to navigate or find the driver, find the motherboard name and the model. It's important. Now I'm using Asus Tech Computer, then I will type here the drivers. I don't know you are using the Intel, AMD, Ryzen. Anyways, now I don't know about your PC, so just go on the official website, the manufacturer website, and then go on the download page. Once you go over there, now simply you need to see here the two ways. The first one model or series, and then the second one is product. And of course in product it's kinda hard to find the motherboard and then model, etc. So I know my motherboard and model, so it's easy. Just I'm typing here my model H81MPSI, and then I'll just press enter to get the drivers. And on the right side you will see here drivers and utility. Now in the drivers and tools section, you will see here the LAN driver, the chipset, the audio, the VGC driver, VGA driver of our built-in GPU basically. Then software and utility and everything is over here that my PC support. Now same thing goes for you, but might be the manufacturer website is different, but the process is absolutely same. I hope you liked today's video. If you have any question, drop them in the comment section. Until the next video, take care. Allah Hafiz. Bye bye.